Happy Monday, my friends. Welcome back to another work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you never miss another job lead upload from me. But with that being said, I'll keep today's video as short as I can. Boston Medical Center is hiring customer care reps to work from home. Now, this is for someone who is looking to get their foot in the door, get started with healthcare, or just get some customer service experience under your belt. They are offering to train. They pay for training, so very little experience is required to actually land this job. So they are looking for someone to work first shift Monday through Friday with no weekends. They are paying $18 an hour, and they're looking for someone to own the interaction with callers by delivering outstanding service as a means to build loyalty, improve retention, and satisfy the corporate best in service goals. They're looking for someone who can respond to a high volume of incoming calls with members and providers. They say their call length can vary widely from just 5 minutes to 45 minutes per call. They're looking for someone to utilize the appropriate resource materials effectively and accurately to interpret, respond, and resolve customer inquiries. Someone to document calls in accordance to their policies, and someone to work with peers to problem solve and perform any other duties that are assigned. Now, it does say it is full-time remote work, no commute. You will work from the comfort of your own home. It is a paid 5-week training period, so they say bring your enthusiasm and people skills. It does say they have great benefits and no premium health insurance options, so you get completely paid for health insurance by them. Now, what they are looking for, a bachelor's degree is always preferred but not required. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or equivalent. That is required. It says prior professional work experience, and that can be any work experience. It says ideally they would like customer service, but it's okay if you haven't worked in a call center before. We will train you. So you don't have to have very much experience. What you do have to have is great customer service skills with verbal and written communication skills. So what this means by outstanding customer service skills is if you get an interview, let them know you are willing to help, you are eager to help. That is your great customer service experience skills. The customer is always right. You're not going to get frustrated with customers. You're not going to be rude to them. You're not going to hang up on them. You will go the extra mile to help them out and help solve their issues. If you have to stay on the phone for an hour with them, you are absolutely fine with that. That is what having outstanding customer service skills is all about. So if you get an interview and you kind of deliver that message, that will help you go a long way. They do want somebody who can be organized and multitask and who has the ability to work in a fast-paced team environment. So you can't get stressed or flustered easily when you have a lot of job duties and they all take priority. As always, comments down below are always welcome. Let me know any specific jobs you are looking for, the skills and education that you have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to bring you, because I always want them to be able to be helpful to someone. But with that being said, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.